Bonjour! Mayong adlaw! It's me, Agnes, and today I'd like to share with you 7 common questions that Bisaya people might ask you, especially if you're new in the place. And I would like to share also how you could answer them. So, let's start!
Number 1. Unsay imong ngalan? What is your name? Unsay imong ngalan? To answer this, you could just say right away your name. For example, if your name is Alexi, you could just say Alexi. Or you can say in a formal way, ako si Alexi. My name is Alexi. Ako si Alexi. Number 2, taga-asa ka? Where are you from? Or where do you live? Taga-asa ka. To answer this, you can just say your country or your city. Or you can say taga and then the name of your country or city. You can say taga-France. Taga-France. I am from France. Number 3, pila imong edad? How old are you? Pila imong edad? To answer this, for example, if you are 28 years old, you could say 28 años. Or you could just say the number 28. 28. Number 4, kanusa ka miabot? When did you arrive? Kanusa ka miabot? To answer this, you could say atong and then the date or the week. For example, you could say atong niaging simana. Last week. Atong niaging simana. Number 5. Nagunsa ka diriya? What are you doing here? Nag-unsa ka diriya? To answer that, you could say, if you're in a vacation, nagbakasyon. Nagbakasyon. Or if you're visiting a friend, you could say, nagbisita sa akong amigo. Nagbisita sa akong amigo. Or if you're visiting for your family, you could say, nagbisita sa akong pamilya. Nagbisita sa akong pamilya. Number 6, unsay imong trabaho? What is your work? Or what is your job? Unsay imong trabaho? So for example, if you're working in a spa or in an office, you could say, sa spa, sa office. For this one, you don't have to be so specific in answering. If you don't want to be so specific, if you don't want to share about it, or if you don't want to answer it, you can just change the topic, or you can say you don't want to answer it. Number 7. Kinsay imong kauban? Who is with you? Or who are with you? This question asks because they are curious if you're visiting the place alone or with a friend or someone else. Kinsa imong kauban? To answer this, you could say, ako lang. It's just me visiting my family or my friend. Ako lang. Ako lang. Or you could say, akong amiga, my friend. Or you could say, akong bana, akong bana. For more details about the examples that I shared with you, you can check the link on the description below. That's all. Thank you. Au revoir.